Hi everybody, this is Terry. Welcome to TJ's Tiny Homestead. Today, I'm going to show you how I use my Mylar bags. Okay? I got this pumpkin spice Cheerio at Walmart when the fall season was over with. I only paid, I don't know if you can see it, it's $1.43. And best use by date is August of 24. But I'm going to go ahead and put them in Mylar bags because they've ate some of this and they're burnt out on it. So to extend the life, that's where these come in handy. So let's get going. Open the box up. Take the bag out. Maybe it'll fit in there with the bag. If not, I'll have to take some of it out and get me another bag. Mine's a stand-up bag, but I don't think this whole bag's going to fit in there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get another Mylar bag. I'll have 3 instead of 2. Alright, here we go. Now, give me a pair of scissors. Scissors. Cut this. Alright. Now I'm going to leave it in the bag inside the bag. This plastic bag inside the Mylar bag, except for the ones that I pour out. So let me get another bag ready. Now these are Ziploc Mylar bags. Can't say that right, sorry. Mylar bags. They're made out of the stuff that the balloons you buy at the store is, but it's a lot thicker. Okay, let's pour some in here and set this out of the way. See if I can make a mess. There we go. Come on. Right, that should be enough. Now, I didn't lose too many of them. Alright, puppy dog will come in here and eat them. Okay, I'm going to set that out of the way. Set that there. Now I'm going to take this bag. I got my oxygen absorbers. And I think these are hundreds. More than I need, but warning, do not eat. Most definitely. Okay, keep those. Okay, I'm going to slip this inside the bag. Like that. And what that does is it draws all the oxygen out of everything. So oxygen's what kills your food. So I've got that in the bag. I'm going to take the bag and try to get it in here. There we go. Get that down in there. Go ahead and seal that. I'll do the other, but go ahead and get the other bag ready. Ziploc this. Now, even though this is a Ziploc Mylar bag, you got it right. I'm going to use my heat seal on my food saver there. I got it ready to go. Okay, get this other box. Now this is a good price. I got like 4 boxes of these for $1.23. Regular price $4.83. So that's a good bargain. Very good bargain. Okay. Cut that off. Over here, stand erect. Okay, I'm gonna pour that in there. Okay. Yeah, waste not, want not. Pick up these. We will not pick up the ones that fell on the floor. Okay. Stick that down. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open that jar up once because the more air that gets in that jar, the less I can put a tear that off. Okay, got both of these bags open. Let's go ahead. Put these oxygen absorbers in here. There's one for there. There's one for there. Tighten that back up. Get these closed up real quick. That one's ready. The seal. Oh, that down in there. Okay. Seal those up. Now, I do have a flat iron for my Mylar bags that don't have the Ziploc seal. These I just found a bargain on them on Amazon. Now, what I'm going to do now even though, like I said, even though it has a Ziploc, I'm going to seal them. Turn that on. And I'm going to seal, go ahead and seal that. It's just double safety in case that Ziploc happens to pop loose on us. We don't want to do that. Alright, there's one good seal. It's still right above the Ziploc. And that's good. See? I'll get close. See? Oops, wrong way. See, that's all sealed. So, that's good. That one's good to go. There's that one. Check the seal. Yes, it went all the way across. Good. Okay, there's that one. And here's our last one. Take. Uh-oh. Didn't get it underneath there, sorry. Wait for it to seal. It wouldn't seal. It's not underneath there. Now, when using Mylar bags, you have to make sure you have oxygen absorbers to go in it, because what it does, it'll use up those. Somehow, it uses up all the oxygen in the bags. I'll come back later when these bags are tightly sealed, because that oxygen will make these bags tight. And that's when you know you got a good seal. Okay, now, my Mylar bags come with these labels, so I'm going to write down what I have. Not on this one here. There we go. Fine tip marker. Okay, so we got pumpkin spice Cheerios. Pumpkin spice Cheerios. And today's date is March 27th. Put that down so I'll know when I did them. March 27th of 24. I'll do that 3 times. Pumpkin spice. I don't like writing on my bags because I don't know if it'll seep through or not after a while. Some people say it does, some people says it don't. March 27th, 24. So this is just a safety precaution in case it does indeed happen. Cheerios. 3/27 of 24. And what I'll do is I'll take these and I attach them up here where it's sealed and stuff. Because there's no food up there. There's that one. And we'll do the next one. Okay. And then this one. There we go. Okay. That's all there's to when it starts eating away the oxygen. Because as long as there's no oxygen in there, these might keep up to 4 to 5 years. And they'll stay crunchy and fresh. So I'll be back. I'll be back then. So stick with us and see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. My Mylar bags have been sitting for a few hours. And here we go. This is the one that just had cereal in it. See how tight it is? Just like a brick. That's the way most of them should look. Now these are the ones that are in the bags still, where I just open the bags up. There's no air in them, but they're not tight like a brick like that. But that's still good. So there you go. Cereal ready to store on the shelf for long term. So let me know what you think in the comments and have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.